all your teachers as well as my brothers and sisters. Good morning to all of you. My name is Aksa and I'm reading class first standard. As we all know that we have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation called as the Republic Day of India. I would like to narrate a Republic Day speech in front of you. First of all, I would like to say a lot of thanks to my class teacher. And just because of her, I have got such a wonderful opportunity in my school. 26 January 1950 we celebrate as the Republic Day. Thanks all of you.